Hello, from my desk. It has been a little quiet here. For 2 weeks, internal and external pressures demanded attention, so I stepped away briefly from the conversations we have begun to build together. But I return today with gratitude because in that short absence, I discovered something important. I discovered that the audience is growing, and more importantly, this audience cares. So thank you for waiting. As we continue this journey together, I'm also happy to announce that another small project is coming soon. It's going to be a microweb series titled Opalaba. Opalaba is a quiet satirical reflection of our times, told through memory, humor, politics, and the strange theater of our national life. But today we return to golden pears.
Ngozi, this is your mood since you came back from Wasimi. Tell me, didn't you say I'm like your mother? I have daughters like you. Talk to me. Words I asked for. You give me tears. Well, something is better than nothing. It's all right. Oh. Men. Even husbands are worse. Even daddy. He sometimes makes me wish that he should stay at his station permanently. What did your Yinka do?
He said that
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
For the first and final encounter in Thunderbolt Magu, I revisit one of the most emotionally intelligent parents in the film. Uche Obi-Osotule as Ngozi and the late Bukky Ajayi as Mama Tutu. And in their very first appearance together, we immediately understand why this pairing works. Ngozi is modern, educated, urban, but Mama Tutu belongs to another world entirely. Older, traditional, instinctive, and deeply Yoruba, searching desperately for safety.
Drink up. Was he fat or thin? Was he tall or short? Was he as old as daddy or older? Look at me. What was his manner of speaking? Did he talk like anybody?
He spoke Igbo.
What? Atoleyo.
He spoke Igbo.
Think, girl, I said. Not go insane on me.
He spoke Igbo. It was a sentence, but I heard it clearly. Like Michonna, Kente. A voice I've known all my life. Like, God, I don't know. The cane.
What?
Yes. My grandmother's cane.
Your grandmother is dead.
I know, but that's the voice. I know that voice. I don't know. Could it be my grandmother's ghost?
Maybe, maybe not. Better be sure than sorry.
So the rupture of a woman whose entire emotional and moral universe suddenly begins to collapse.
He knows things, Mama.
Of course he knows things.
Tell him everything. Tell him now.
Baba, ọmọ mi ní àti gbọ́ gbogbo ǹtẹ́ sọ àmọ́ ó sì tún kù.
Àwa náà mọ̀ pé ó kù. Ó kù. Ẹ ká lọ.
Ẹ ṣé bàbá.
Yá lọ yẹ̀ wò.
What?
Orí ìyá mi o.
Baba.
Ìkàmọ̀ làwọn èèyàn o. Òkú lọmọ tẹ́ ń bá rìn yìí.
What's wrong with me, Mama?
Magun.
Magun.
Mama, talk to me. What is it?
Wọ́n ti fi mọ́tò sí láà.
Mama, what's wrong with me?
Somebody has put Magun on you.
Maggie.
Magun. Kí ni mo ṣe máa ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ fún?
Magun kì í ṣàrùn.
Magun is not a disease.
Ṣùgbọ́n ikú ni.
It is death.
Ẹni tí bá ń ṣèṣekúṣe tí ẹ bá fi lé la, ẹni tó bá bá ṣèṣekúṣe yóò kú.
Put on you so that anybody who commits adultery with you will die.
Àmọ́ tí òun náà bá jẹ́ pé ẹni tí ara rẹ̀ mọ́ tí èso oníṣekúṣe tó bá pẹ́ lára rẹ̀ náà yóò kú ni.
But if you are innocent throughout the incubation period, you die.
But why me? Who?
It can be anyone. Your enemy. Put on you so that anybody who has intercourse with you will die, even your husband.
Mama, help me.
Baba.
One actress carries fear, the other carries certainty. One fractures emotionally, the other absorbs the fracture without panic. Neither performance competes with the other. Instead, they build emotional rhythm.
This is my auntie.
Oh.
Mi mọ̀ kọ́wọ́ yín ló ti gbalé wa.
Bàmídélé, tó bá mọ̀ pé àbúrò mi ló bí ẹ, ó dẹ̀ kí n ṣe ọmọ àlè, wàá rárá tẹ̀lé mi ń sìn torí ọ̀rọ̀ kékeré kan wà tàkùn fẹ́ sọ.
Ó dáná máa bá yín ẹ jẹ́ sáré parí pẹ̀lú òun.
Ó dẹ̀ ló kì í ṣe ọmọ àlè, àbúrò mi dẹ̀ ló bí ẹ, a ní kó ká lọ.
Ngozi, excuse me.
Ilé. Máa forí sọ ẹ láyà, máa kú sí ẹ lórí.
Kí ni mo ṣe máa?
Ó fẹ́ bókìtì.
Bukky kẹ́.
Ṣé ó fẹ́ bókìtì? Wọ́n ti lé Ngozi ní Magun. Wọ́n ti lé.
And by the final movement of the story, the film arrives at something deeper than fear, forgiveness, not as weakness, but as a final bridge toward healing. Because beneath the supernatural conflict of Thunderbolt Magu lies something profoundly human, the search for the refuge inside another person's compassion.
Òkété ni. Adé tutù. Ọ̀sẹ̀mọdé yìí. Ọ̀fọ̀ méjì rẹ̀ jẹ ni.
Lábẹ́dá mi bè.
Dákùnmọdé yìí. Foríjì. Ara ìwòsàn náà ni ìforíjì wà. Dákun.
I trusted you, Mama.
Please forgive me, Ngozi. Bamidele is my nephew. I just couldn't. Just forgive me. Please. Forgive me.
Karimade. Gbére.
From my desk, I remember the late Bukky Ajayi, our own Auntie Bukky, not only as a great actress, but as one of the great emotionally listeners of Nigerian cinema. She was an actress who understood that truth on the screen does not always come through performance. Sometimes it comes through presence, love, teamwork, and collaboration. Sadly, veteran Auntie Bukky Ajayi, who played Mama Tutu, Thunderbolt Magu, produced by Mainframe Productions in 2001, died on July 6, 2016 in Lagos at the age of 82. May her soul continue to rest in peace. From my desk, the stories continue. My name is Tunde Kelani TK. Ire ni o.